Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greens on My Plate Cooking Recipes. Today let's see how to make donuts. These homemade donuts are eggless as well as no yeast. In this video you're gonna see how to ferment a perfect donut dough and cut the donuts using a donut cutter, bake the donuts as well as fry the donuts. Here you can see the fried donuts have a smooth texture. This smooth texture is due to the perfect ratio and proportion of the ingredients as well fermentation of dough. Fried donuts have been decorated with the melted chocolate as well as white chocolates. And the baked donuts have been decorated using some pastel colors with the white melted chocolates. These eggless donuts and no yeast donuts can be made at home and decorated using these melted chocolates as well as sugar sprinklers by following the perfect measurements of these ingredients along with the tips mentioned in this video. To see more interesting recipes like this, subscribe to Greens on My Plate Cooking Recipes as well as follow on Facebook and Instagram. So let's get started. Let's see what are the ingredients to make the perfect donut dough. For a healthier version of this donut, I have used the wheat flour. Here I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour. Make sure you sieve the wheat flour before you add into the dough. And half teaspoon of salt, quarter cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3/4 cup of warm milk and quarter cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Wheat flour can be replaced with maida as well. Take a mixing bowl and add 3/4 cup of warm milk. Make sure the milk is warm, not too hot. Add 1/4 cup of white sugar and mix it. Mix till the sugar dissolves completely in the warm milk. Sugar must be dissolved in the milk completely before adding to the dough. If the sugar is not dissolved properly, then donuts may not get the perfect shape when they are fried as well as baked. And the proportion for the sugar and milk is 3/4 cup of warm milk takes only quarter cup of white sugar. If white sugar is replaced with brown sugar, then the color of the donuts might change. Sugar is melted completely in milk. Now take a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of sieved wheat flour. Sieving of the wheat flour is important to get a smooth texture. Half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Once half teaspoon of salt is mixed with 2 cups of wheat flour, then we can add quarter cup of melted butter. Make sure the butter is melted. Quarter cup of melted butter is very important to get the donut a perfect smooth texture. I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice on top of the baking powder. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice on top of 1 tablespoon of baking powder I have added here. This gives a fizz reaction. You can see the froth is formed on the dough. Mix it quickly. You can even replace lemon juice with vinegar, but the proportion of the lemon juice as well as vinegar remains the same. Now add sweetened milk in batches to the dough and mix well to form a perfect smooth dough. Need 5 to 10 minutes to get a perfect dough. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil so the dough does not stick to the bowl and allow it to ferment. You can see the perfect dough is ready. Once the dough is ready, we need to ferment the dough. The fizz reaction on the dough has started fermenting. Here you can see. Covering the dough airtight is very important for the fermentation of the dough. Make sure the dough is covered airtight using a cling wrap or some lid. Place the dough in a warm place for 60 minutes. For 60 minutes, the dough is fermented perfectly as you can see, and it is increased in its size. Fermentation of the dough is very important to get a perfect smooth textured donuts. Knead the dough again for a couple of minutes. Make a similar dough and cut the dough into half portion. This will be helpful to roll the donuts perfectly. Sprinkle some flour to roll the donuts. Smooth dough indicates the perfect fermenting and kneading the dough. Using a roller pin, roll the donuts to 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch thickness. Once these donuts are uniformly rolled, then using a donut cutter, you can cut the donuts as shown. You can even use a lid to cut these donuts, a bigger one and a smaller lid. But make sure you make the similar sized donuts. Roll and cut the donuts for rest of the dough. Make sure you roll the donuts with the uniform thickness, otherwise the donuts will not get a perfect shape. Here you can see a perfect uniform thickness donuts are getting ready. Few donuts I'll be baking and few donuts I'll be frying. Here are the donuts that I'm gonna bake. Bake these donuts in a preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. And another set of donuts I'll be frying. Preheat the oil in a medium heat and slide the donuts gently. Make sure you slide 2 to 3 donuts at a time only. Flip the donuts only when one side of the donut is done and stir occasionally. Fry until the donuts are completely golden brown and perfectly fried. Eggless no yeast donuts are perfectly fried and looks delicious. Let's see how to decorate the donuts. Now 500 grams of whole dark chocolate. I am using only 150 grams of the dark chocolate bar. Cut these 150 grams and keep it aside. Here I have taken white chocolate and I am using only 150 grams. I am using a microwavable cups or bowls to melt this chocolate. Melt these chocolates by microwaving for 30 seconds. Stir it and microwave for another 30 seconds. Do not melt the chocolate in microwave for 60 seconds. It might burn the chocolates. You can even use double boil technique to melt these chocolates. Keep stirring until the chocolates dissolve completely. The chocolate must be of flowing consistency. Make sure the chocolate should be warm in temperature. Let's start decorating. Dip this half donuts in warm melted dark chocolate and place it on a mesh or on a tray so that the extra dripped chocolates can drain off easily. Make similar to the rest of the donuts. Do not add sugar for this dark chocolate since the dark chocolate already has sweetness in it. Now decorate it using the white melted chocolate using a spoon. You can make designs of your own and sprinkle some sugar sprinklers as shown. These melted chocolates on the donuts get set very fast. It will take 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. White donuts are decorated. Let's see how to decorate these big donuts. Dip the donuts in hot white melted chocolate and place it on a mesh or a tray. These melted white chocolates are very thin and sweeter in taste as well. I am adding 1 drop of red food gel color and mix it along with the white melted chocolate. 1 drop of green food color and 1 drop of blue food color as well. You can add your own color combination and make a fantastic pastel colors. Mix the food colors along with the melted white chocolates properly to get a uniform color. If the white chocolates get hardened, then you need to microwave again for 30 seconds or using a double boil technique, melt the white chocolate again. Since these melted white chocolates are very thin, it might get hardened at room temperature very quickly. Dip half the donuts in this melted chocolate as shown. These pastel colors makes the donuts looks very good. You can even add more food gel color to get a darker shade and decorate using some sugar sprinkles. Make sure these melted chocolates are warm in temperature. Now decorate the chocolate using some melted dark chocolate, melted colored white chocolate. If the melted chocolates are thin, then covering of the donuts becomes easy and gives a very smooth finishing. Hope these tips all helps to make a perfect eggless and no yeast donuts at home. Donuts can also be decorated using some fondant, icing sugar, sugar with cinnamon, different color and shape sugar sprinkles as well. Before adding these sugar sprinkles, make sure this melted chocolate is still warm so the sugar sprinkles bind with the melted chocolate on the donut properly. Here I'm using some dark pink hearts to decorate a pale pink donuts and white hearts to decorate these pale blue donuts. Donuts can also be decorated using some handmade or store-bought fondant according to the birthday party themes as well. Do not add sugar to this white melted chocolate since this white melted chocolate is sweet by itself. These homemade donuts are quick as well as tasty. Isn't this an easy and interesting recipe? Here you can see both baked as well as fried donuts decorated using some melted chocolates and sugar sprinkles. Hope you try out this recipe at home and write down in the comment section which is your favorite donut and which is your favorite decoration ideas. If you like this video and find this video very helpful to make the donuts, don't forget to share it and like it. Don't forget to follow the Screens on My Plate cooking recipes on Instagram as well as Facebook. Thanks for watching. Make these delicious donuts at home and enjoy along with your family and friends.